Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fixing one reference wall as your baseline, then measure clockwise around the room. Use a laser or tape, record lengths and wall heights in your notebook, and take photos for context. Once done, locate doors and windows and measure from the reference wall to each opening, including widths and clearances. Make quick sketches on graph paper with a consistent scale. This gives you an immediate, accurate framework to refine digitally or draft to scale. You now convert raw measurements into a consistent scale. Pick 1/4 inch equals 1 foot or 1/50 depending on detail. Transfer walls and openings to graph paper or a CAD tool, making sure corners and angles match measured values. Next, add internal features like closets, columns, stairs, and fixed appliances, because they affect flow and furniture placement. Make sure to annotate door swings and clearances. This prevents surprises when placing large items or planning traffic paths. You finish by double-checking critical dimensions, remeasure long spans and openings, and update your drawing and labels accordingly. Once verified, place furniture and define circulation zones so you can assess function and spacing. Make notes about finishes or structural loads where relevant. Then export a scaled PDF or CAD file and print it to scale copy for on-site comparison. If something looks off later, remeasure the suspect wall first. Misread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.